If you love ice cream as much as I do, then get ready because today I'm sharing not one, but two super easy and delicious homemade ice cream recipes you can make right in your kitchen. Let's start with the three ingredient coconut ice cream. For this, you'll need fresh coconut, powdered milk, and condensed milk. First, let's extract that rich coconut milk. Crack open your coconut and don't forget to save the coconut water. It's packed with electrolyte and so refreshing to drink. Now remove the coconut meat from the shell. Give it a good wash and cut it into small chunks. So a quick tip here, if you're struggling to remove your coconut meat from the shell, you can simply keep it in the microwave or heat it up on the stove for about 30 seconds and that should get it right out. Once you've cut them into chunks, toss them into a blender, add some water, and blend until smooth. Once blended, strain it through a cheesecloth to separate the milk. So I'm going to add a few cups of water to the blender and I'm going to rinse this out and add this to the slurry. So in all, I added about 2.5 cups of water to make this milk. Next, we'll go ahead to sweeten this up. So to the coconut milk extracted, add in your condensed milk and mix well until everything is beautifully combined. Make sure to check the description box for detailed measurements. Then gradually add the powdered milk while stirring continuously to get that perfect consistency. So we're going to add these in bits so they mix up easily. So here I used about 1.5 cup of powdered milk for this ice cream, but you can use more or less based on your preference. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer these into ice cream cups or molds. Pop in some wooden sticks and freeze for about 6 hours. When they are nice and firm, you can simply dip the ice cream cups into water for a few seconds and the ice cream will slide right out. And there you have it, rich, creamy and super refreshing coconut ice cream that's perfect for everyone. But don't leave yet, because the next recipe is a simple banana ice cream that's just as delicious. For this you'll need ripe bananas, powdered milk, evaporated milk, a cup of water, and your choice of flavor. So here I'll be using vanilla flavor. Start by peeling about 5 small bananas and add them to your blender. If you are using larger ones, 4 will actually do. Pour in a 4th cup of evaporated milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a little bit of water. Blend this until smooth. Now for that creamy goodness, add a cup of powdered milk and the remaining water and blend again for a minute until everything is well combined. If you are still watching at this point, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Once blended, pour the mixture into disposable cups or ice cream molds, insert your ice cream sticks and freeze for about 6 hours. After 6 hours, These will be quite firm, so to take them out, dip the cups in water to loosen them up, and just like that, you've got yourself some smooth, naturally sweet banana ice cream. Both of these ice creams are easy to make, super delicious, and the perfect homemade treat for your family. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.